Good day, sir. I'm Jeric Siparocha, and in this video, I'm going to create a mood board for my inspiration for creating a management system. And first, we open Adobe XD. Excuse me, sir. And for our mood board, we use a web. And first, magpo tayo ng mood board background. Yung colors o color palettes and backgrounds is I already prepare na po para mas mapabilis po and mag-copy and paste na lang po ang pagawin natin. Okay. And fill. And put po tayo ng square to our color palettes. Copy lang po natin. Paste. And put po tayo ng name. Palakihan lang po natin. Naglagay po ako ng text dito po para malaman po natin kung anong name ng color palette ang ating ilalagay. And copy lang po natin silang tatlo. Bago po tayo mag-copy ng color palette is i-fill po muna natin siya ng colors. Fill, paste, and ayan po. Then, second color palette. Paste. Then, third color palette. Enter. Yung color palette, dark brown is nagre-represent po ng roasted coffee beans and warmth. And nagkikreate po ng grounded and comforting base tone. And yung light cream naman po, ito po. Light cream, soft and natural color na nagbabalance po sa darker tones na nagsisimbolize sa milk or foam in coffee. And yung Warm yellow naman po is nag-add ng energy and positivity. Copy po natin sila. Paste natin and yung for color palette. Itong light green po is nagbibigay siya ng soft and neutral color na nagbabalance sa darker end tone. And next, itong muted green naman po represent the freshness and yung ideal po na nag-indicate ng organic or nature-inspired. And lastly, yung ating last color palette. Rename lang po natin into their actual names po. And next is yung ating coffee shop inventory name. Ang name po is The Daily Grind. Palagyan lang po natin. And magpuput po tayo ng design dito para po hindi maging boring ang ating mood board. Size po ng ating border is 3. And next is maglalagay po tayo ng rectangle shape na para po paglalagyan po natin ng ating picture for our mood board. And ayan po. Open po natin yung ating file explorer para mag-drag and drop lang po tayo. Punta po tayo sa gallery. Yung wooden type. And punta po tayo sa other side. And lastly, ayan. Yung fan po na the daily grind is uses a clean and slight rustic type of paste. Nagpabalance po ng readability with handcrafted. Yung ating wood texture naman po dito sa baba is nagre-represent ng natural materials na most commonly found in aesthetics coffee shops, and nagre-represent po ito rin po ito ng eco-friendly vibe. And punta na po tayo sa next. Namali po tayo dito. Tanggalin po natin yung the na word. Daily grind. Ayan po. And sa ating right side naman po is magpuput po ulit tayo ng two big rectangle shape para po sa pagdistora ng ating image. And next is yung talagang title na po ng ating coffee shop inventory. The Daily Grind. Or no, 50. Ayan yung color po ng ating font is shade po ng brown that represents aesthetics. And ayan na po. Then, mag-put po tayo ng buttons dito. Text. Save images. Palitan lang po natin yung let's 30. Maybe 35. And ayan po. Copy, paste. So, buttons po ang ilalagay natin. And set 45. And lagyan po natin ng background color itong ating save changes na button. Highlightin lang po natin yung ating ayan, all caps, save changes. And also here, so, then, maglalagay po tayo ng ating search box. First is text. Search. Palitan pa natin siya ng color black, and a rectangle shape para po sa ating magiging text box. Ayan. And yung magiging color background po niya is ganyan po. Then, border is 2 para maging visible ang ating text box. And text is maglalagay po tayo ng example. For example is coffee bean. Yan. Then, lastly is yung ating image dito. Open po natin yung File Explorer. Tag po natin yung coffee shop counter na nagre-reflects po ng ambience ng ating real cafe na inviting and filled with textures of wood, coffee cups, and some pastries. Yung second photo po naman natin is barista working na nag-highlights ng craftsmanship, passion, and human touch behind the every coffee product. Nag-align ng team of care and quality. And ayan na po ang ating mood board. Simply but elegant and aesthetics. And save na po natin. Save. Mood board. And ayan na, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating part 1 for our creating a mood board and creating a management system.